Looking for some magical potion bubbling with friendly bacteria that can boost your gut health? Well, kefir might be just your thing. This fermented wonder has been a staple in various cultures for centuries, prized for its potential health benefits. Did you know kefir is one of the richest natural sources of probiotics, even surpassing yogurt? With the growing interest in probiotic foods and their potential to enhance overall well-being, kefir is taking center stage. But kefir isn't just some trendy health drink, it's a flavor explosion waiting to be explored. In this video, we'll be exploring the two main types of kefir: milk kefir and water kefir. We'll uncover their secrets, from their unique ingredients and taste profiles to the specific health benefits that kefir offers. So get ready to discover the world of kefir. Kefir, a gift from the gods. Kefir's origins are as mysterious as its tangy flavor. Legends whisper tales of nomadic shepherds in the Caucasus Mountains, where fresh milk carried in leather pouches would sometimes transform into a bubbly surprise. This chance encounter with fermentation might have been the spark that ignited kefir's journey. It led to the cultivation of kefir grains, those fascinating, gelatinous, cauliflower-like clumps teeming with life. We're talking bacteria and yeast living in beautiful symbiosis, hence the fancy term SCOBY, symbiotic culture of bacteria and yeast. Back in the day, these grains were considered a gift from the gods, and their exact composition remained a closely guarded secret for centuries. So how does the magic happen? Kefir is born from the fascinating process of fermentation. Imagine tiny beneficial bacteria and yeasts, collectively called kefir grains, feasting on milk or sugar water. As they munch away, they transform the liquid into a delightfully effervescent drink packed with probiotics, live microorganisms that can work wonders for your gut health. Milk kefir grains boast a unique blend specifically adapted to transform milk, while water kefir grains have their own specialized composition for sugar water. Regardless of the type, these little powerhouses unlock a world of probiotic potential, turning simple ingredients into a gut-friendly fizzy delight. Store-bought versus do-it-yourself kefir, unveiling the homebrew advantage. Sure, supermarket shelves are overflowing with pre-made kefir options, which can be convenient. But before you grab a bottle, consider the benefits of brewing your own kefir at home. Think of it as a flavor and probiotic power-up. Here's why do-it-yourself kefir might be the secret weapon your gut health has been craving. Probiotic powerhouse. Homemade kefir often boasts a wider range and higher concentration of those gut-friendly probiotic warriors compared to store-bought varieties. Commercial production processes can sometimes reduce the probiotic diversity or count for standardization. By making your own, you get the full probiotic force. Flavor freedom. Craving a hint of blueberry or a tropical twist? Do-it-yourself kefir lets you customize the fermentation time, milk type, dairy or non-dairy, and add your favorite flavorings. Experiment and create a kefir that perfectly suits your taste buds. Budget-friendly brew. Making kefir at home is a cost-effective champion. Kefir grains, with proper care, can be reused indefinitely. The only ongoing cost, the milk or sugar water you use for fermentation. Talk about a long-term investment in your gut health. Go green with your gut health. Embrace the eco-conscious route. Home fermentation reduces the need for plastic packaging and the carbon footprint associated with commercial production and transportation. Every batch you brew is a tiny win for the planet. Freshness first. Homemade kefir is the epitome of freshness. You get to consume it right after fermentation when the probiotics are at their peak potency, maximizing the potential health benefits for your gut. Less sugar, more satisfaction. Store-bought flavored kefirs can be loaded with added sugars. Do-it-yourself kefir gives you complete control over the sugar content, making it a healthier option, especially if you're watching your sugar intake. Bonus, the connection factor. Brewing your own kefir fosters a deeper appreciation for the food we consume. Plus, kefir grains multiply over time, allowing you to share the probiotic love with friends and family. It's a win-win for your gut and your community. So ditch the store-bought kefir and dive into the world of do-it-yourself kefir. Your taste buds and your gut will thank you. Kefir comes in two exciting varieties, milk kefir and water kefir. While they share the title of probiotic powerhouse, they each offer unique characteristics that might appeal to different preferences. Let's delve into the world of kefir and help you find your perfect match. Milk kefir. This creamy beverage is born from the fermentation of milk, usually cow's milk, using kefir grains. You can also use some dairy alternatives like goat milk or coconut milk, or even some non-dairy options like almond milk, soy milk, or oat milk. When using non-dairy milk alternatives, it's crucial to choose unsweetened varieties with minimal additives and add a natural sweetener like honey for optimal fermentation with kefir grains. Water kefir. This lighter option utilizes sugar water or even coconut water as its base. Fermented with water kefir grains. Texture and taste. Milk kefir. Imagine a smooth, drinkable yogurt with a delightful fizz. Milk kefir boasts a thicker consistency and a tangy, slightly yeasty flavor profile. Water kefir. This bubbly beverage is all about lightness. Think of a refreshing, slightly sweet soda with a touch of tartness. The level of carbonation can vary depending on fermentation time, allowing you to customize the experience. Flavor flexibility. While naturally tangy, milk kefir offers some flexibility. You can tame the tang with fruits or honey for a delightful treat. Water kefir is a blank canvas for flavor exploration. The mild, slightly sweet base readily welcomes a variety of fruits, herbs, or spices for endless flavor combinations. The choice is yours. Both milk kefir and water kefir are fantastic options, each with its own distinct personality. Milk kefir offers a creamy, tangy experience packed with nutrients, while water kefir provides a light, bubbly canvas for flavor exploration. Why not try both? Experiment with different types of milk for kefir or unleash your creativity with fruit and spice combinations in water kefir. With so many possibilities, you're sure to find a kefir that perfectly complements your taste buds and dietary needs. Kefir, a fermentation powerhouse packed with health benefits. Kefir isn't just a delicious beverage, it's brimming with health benefits. Let's see what makes kefir such a superstar. Nutritional content. Milk kefir. This champion, especially full-fat cow milk, contains more vitamins and nutrients including protein, calcium, phosphorus, vitamin B12, riboflavin, vitamin B2, magnesium, and fat-soluble vitamins A, D, and K2. It's a superstar for gut health, containing a wider variety of probiotic strains compared to water kefir. Water kefir. While lacking the protein and minerals found in milk kefir, it's still a fantastic source of probiotics. This makes it a great choice for vegans and those with lactose intolerance. Probiotic paradise. Kefir reigns supreme in the probiotic world. It contains a wider variety of these gut-friendly bacteria strains than most fermented foods. We're talking billions of beneficial microbes in every cup, ready to work wonders for your digestive health. Milk kefir takes the crown with 50 to 300 billion colony-forming units, or CFUs per cup, and over 100 strains, while water kefir offers a respectable 5 to 35 billion CFUs and 8 to 15 strains. Research suggests kefir can be a powerful ally for various health concerns. Taming digestive troubles. Kefir's probiotics can help maintain a healthy gut balance, potentially easing symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, Crohn's disease, and ulcerative colitis. It might even be your friend against bloating and constipation. Boosting immunity. Feeling under the weather? Kefir might be your answer. Studies suggest it can strengthen your immune system, potentially reducing allergy and asthma symptoms. Building strong bones. Kefir packs a punch of calcium and vitamin K2, particularly full-fat dairy kefir, which might help prevent osteoporosis and keep your bones healthy. Did you know that research shows vitamin K2 supplementation might reduce your risk of fractures by up to 81%? Combating infections. Some probiotic strains in kefir have antimicrobial properties, acting like tiny warriors against harmful bacteria and fungi, including E. coli and salmonella. Lab studies even show kefir's effectiveness rivaling antibiotics. Supporting heart health. Early research suggests kefir might influence heart health by improving cholesterol levels, lowering blood pressure, and reducing inflammation, all risk factors for heart disease. Managing blood sugar. If you're concerned about diabetes, kefir might be a helpful addition to your diet. Studies suggest it could play a role in managing blood sugar levels. Easing lactose intolerance. The lactose content in milk kefir is significantly reduced during fermentation, making it easier to digest for those with lactose intolerance. Plus, The probiotics might even help your body produce more lactase, the enzyme needed to break down lactose. Promoting mental well-being. The gut-brain connection is a hot topic, and kefir's probiotics might play a role in brain health. Studies are exploring the potential benefits of kefir for conditions like depression and anxiety. Weight management. Certain probiotics in kefir might influence weight and fat mass through various mechanisms, including appetite control and energy metabolism. Enhancing skin health. While more research is needed, the anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties of kefir's probiotics might benefit skin conditions like acne and eczema, even promoting wound healing. Natural detoxification. Kefir's bioactive compounds act as natural detoxifiers, supporting your liver function. Potential cancer prevention. Early studies suggest kefir's bioactive compounds might have anti-cancer properties, inhibiting tumor growth and offering protection against certain cancers. Are you looking for a way to support your overall health and wellness? Look no further than Kefir. It's a holistic health powerhouse. Ready to experience the benefits? Let's explore how much kefir to consume and when to enjoy it. Most people can enjoy 1 to 2 cups, 237 to 473 milliliter of kefir daily, with milk kefir limited to 1 cup for maximum benefit due to its richness, while water kefir's milder nature allows for 2 cups. Listen to your body. Everyone reacts differently. Some may find their gut thrives on more kefir, while others may prefer a smaller amount. Pay attention to your body's signals and adjust your intake accordingly. If you have specific health conditions like a weakened immune system or autoimmune issues, consult your doctor for personalized advice on kefir consumption. The golden rule: avoid before sleep. Since kefir interacts with your digestive system, steer clear of drinking it right before bedtime. This can disrupt your sleep and leave you feeling restless instead of rested. Listen to your body and experiment. Whether you crave a morning kefir kickstart or an evening probiotic treat, find a routine that works best for you. The time it takes to feel kefir's magic touch can vary for everyone. Some might experience improvements in digestion, energy levels, and overall well-being within 2 to 4 weeks of regular consumption. However, for others, particularly those with existing gut issues, it might take longer. Think 12 to 18 months for significant benefits. Remember, kefir's effects are gradual and build over time. Moderation, patience, and consistency are key as you incorporate this probiotic-rich drink into your daily routine. Conclusion: unleash the power of kefir for a healthier, happier you. Kefir emerges as a champion in the world of fermented foods, boasting a delightful tang and a treasure trove of health benefits. Whether you crave the creamy goodness of milk kefir or the lighter touch of water kefir, both options offer unique flavor profiles and health benefits. Don't be afraid to experiment and discover which kefir variety best suits your taste buds and dietary needs. Remember, incorporating kefir into your diet is a journey, not a destination. Start slow, listen to your body, and find the perfect amount and timing that works for you. So, are you ready to embark on your kefir adventure? Experiment with delicious recipes, explore the magic of do-it-yourself brewing, and discover how kefir can transform your diet into a flavor and health celebration. We'd love to hear from you. Share your kefir experiences, tips, or favorite recipes in the comments below. Are you looking for more health and wellness inspiration? Be sure to follow this channel for valuable insights and information to guide you on your path to a healthier, happier you.